Place. Even if Pakistan go at 7-8 and over, if they can take another wicket quickly, that can put some pressure.
Oh, he's got hold of that.
Short and pumped. Catch it, someone, please. We want to give away some cash, some rupees.
Oh my word! Can you believe it? Can you believe it?
अपना बापू स्वर्ग में राउंड क्या मारने गया, तेरे छोकरे लोग अपने एरिया में बहुत घुस रहे, तकलीफ हो जाएंगी तेरे।
And he missed got all of this. He sure did. The off spin is the option to target. Using his feet, he got under.
He advances, he goes in the air. There is long off, he can only watch it go over his head.
Another one goes as well. There's a man straight there, but.
Oh, and there's another shout. Did he hit that? He has it. Oh, that's the start the Pakistanis wanted.
और खुद उनकी अपनी परफॉर्मेंस भी राहें हमवार कर रही है, लेकिन एक रुकावट है और वो है सीनियर्स के आमिर के साथ खेलने पर तहफ्फुज़ात। और इन